How to load and calibrate the juice dispense on a JDF S with portion control. Calibrating a juice dispenser will ensure the product mix ratios are consistent with what is needed for various types of juice concentrates. In this video, we will be using a 4:1 mix ratio for our water and juice. Mix ratios will vary depending upon the type of concentrate used. Allow the frozen concentrate to thaw before use. Once thawed, mix the product by vigorously shaking the product container. Remove the plastic cap on the container. Wet or use a food-grade lubricant on the container O-ring. This will ease removal of the container. Open the dispenser door and place the product in the cabinet and press it firmly into the bottle adapter opening. Remove the sticker that covers the ventilation hole on the container and close the dispenser door. Remove the drip tray and turn the dispense lockout switch to the off position. Place a graduated cylinder under the dispense nozzle and press the dispense button 3 times to run a 3-second water dispense test and allow water to empty into the container. Then record the volume. Identify the target mix ratio for the product being used. This can usually be found on the product container. Compare the amount of water recorded to the water flow chart found in the installation and operating guide. Because we are using a 4:1 mix ratio as an example, the desired water volume for the mix ratio should be approximately 4 ounces. If the water dispense volume recorded does not match the target number as stated in the chart, you will need to perform a flow rate adjustment. Open the dispenser door and remove the white cap that covers the pump motor adjustment hole that is associated with the dispense station you wish to adjust. Insert an Allen wrench into the adjustment hole and turn it counterclockwise to decrease water flow and clockwise to increase water flow. For this example, the water dispensed during the 3-second test was over by 1 ounce, so the water flow will need to decrease. Replace the graduated cylinder under the dispense nozzle and press the dispense button 3 times and allow water to empty into the cylinder. Then record the volume. If necessary, keep making adjustments to the dispense station until the desired water volume is met. If you're using a refractometer, turn the dispense lockout switch to the on position. Place a cup under the dispense nozzle and press the dispense button until a mix of water and concentrate flows into the receiving cup. Discard the product in the cup and place it back under the dispense nozzle. Press and hold the dispense button until the cup is partially full. Use an eyedropper to take a product sample from the cup. Place a few drops on the refractometer, then refer to the bricks chart for target percent needed. If you are not using a refractometer, turn the dispense lockout to the off position. Place the container under the dispense nozzle and press the dispense button 6 times to run a total volume dispense test and allow the mixed product to empty into the container. Discard the mixed product and place a graduated cylinder under the dispense nozzle and press the dispense button 6 times to run another test. Then record the volume in ounces. For this example, our 3-second water dispense is 4 ounces and our target ratio is 4:1. Refer to the chart for the approximate total dispense volume. According to the chart, the target volume is approximately 5 ounces. If the total dispense volume does not match the target number as stated in the chart, you will need to perform a pump speed adjustment. Power down the machine and remove the drip tray, then remove the 2 screws located behind the drip tray. Remove the splash panel and locate the adjustment knobs on the control board. Turn the knob associated with the dispense station that you wish to adjust. Clockwise to increase the pump speed and counterclockwise to decrease the pump speed. For this example, our total dispense volume during the test was over by 1 ounce, so the pump speed will need to decrease. Some 2S models will have 4 adjustment knobs on the control board. For these models, use the 2 leftmost knobs to make a pump speed adjustment. Reinstall the splash panel and drip tray, then power on the machine. Replace the graduated cylinder under the dispense nozzle and press the dispense button 6 times to run another test. Then record the volume. If necessary, keep making adjustments to the corresponding dispense station until the desired total dispense volume is met. Follow the same steps for the remaining dispense stations as needed. Once you are finished, ensure the dispense lockout switch is in the on position.